Good morning, everyone. So today is Monday, and I'm going to be taking you through my day at Montclair State University. I have some classes today, but they don't start until later. So for now, we're just going to keep going with my morning routine, and then also I'll have some time to kind of do whatever I want. Okay. Man, I do like pancakes. Well, anyway, the plan for the rest of the day is to do some homework, some studying. I don't have a lot because it's just the first full week. Like last week was like syllabus week, right? And then I have to go to class at like 1:45 or something. Nope. All right. Hello. So I thought that I would get ready on camera, partially because I've been watching lots of Zoella videos, so Zoella vlogs.
Why is it so hard? Why is it so hard to find time? Why is it so hard? Why is it so hard to find?
All right, makeup is all done. I feel so much better now. But yeah, very real day in my life at college. There's people barging in all the time, making so much noise in the hallways and everything. That's just college, I guess, right?
Still time to get it all. Still time to let it fall behind. I'm not your ending. You're only saving. You need to let it go.
I also ended up curling my hair. Now I am getting a little hungry because it is noon, so it is lunchtime. Let's go make some lunch.
Still time to get it all. Still time to let it fall behind. I'm not your ending. You're only saving. You need to let it go. You need to step off from your shore. I'm not your ending. When you smile, I smile.
Lunch was delicious. I always love a good taco with some cashew cream. So good. Anyway, I have about an hour now before having to actually head out to class. So I think for now, I'm just going to kind of relax. I suspect that in about 2 or 3 weeks at this time, I'm going to be doing lots of homework. But I don't have any homework yet. So yeah, we're just going to be relaxing. And then the fun will begin of actually going to class.
It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
So So some of the things that I always bring with me to class are my laptop. I bring it pretty much all the time unless I know that I'm not going to need it for any of my classes. I also do like to bring my mouse with me as well because it just makes things a lot easier. And then iPad because I take my notes on this. And yeah, I do bring both my laptop and my iPad because I use both of them. Water bottle, and then a planner and pens. It seems like it's not gonna be too cold out today because it is above freezing, which is way better than like the 10 degrees that was happening last week. So yeah, but I'm all packed up, ready to head to class. It's about 1:45. So yeah, my mornings are like completely free. Okay, it is actually super nice out, like not even cold. And I'm only wearing one layer today, like one layer and then my jacket. The other day I ended up wearing like 2 or 3 layers because it was so cold, and even then it was still cold. I remember last time I did a day in my life at Montclair. It was so windy, and then we ended up having this insane like thunderstorm, and I got soaking wet. But I think that's not gonna happen today, which is good because I really don't need another one of those. Feels good now you're in my space. It's alright. Scared of my mistakes. You're gonna think that I see people run this red light all the time. It is really scary. This is the road that tends to be very busy. Like this is the main road that goes through campus. And yeah, sometimes during certain times of the day and certain days of the week, this road gets extremely like busy and there's like some standstill traffic going on. But I really do enjoy these walks to and from class. I really get to have like a good 20 to 30 minutes just to enjoy the weather, get some exercise in. So all good stuff. The only times it's not fun is when it's really cold, really windy, or when it's dark out. Or of course if it's raining or something, but yeah, you know. You were in my past, never thought you were coming back. 2 wrongs can make this last. We're good now. Guess that I've been feeling sad of everything we used to have. I wanna know where you've been. Stairs, those stairs. Quite the workout. Anyway, where am I supposed to be? Where am I supposed to be? Right. First class is software engineering. No matter how many times you fall, because you're the only light that shines.
Well, I was gonna say,
What the heck? Hot hair. A bit early, so just waiting now. That felt like the longest class ever. I don't know why, but it felt like it went on for like 3 hours. Oh my gosh. Well, anyway, I have one more class. Well, 2 more, but one more like actual class and then dance class. For some reason, before my dance class, I always have a slightly bigger break, like slightly bigger gap. Instead of the usual 15 minutes, it's 30 minutes. So I never know what to do with myself there. And I was just feeling way too tired to start like doing work. So I was just watching a Freddie video. So I don't know if any of you guys watched her, but she's adorable. Anyway, it's time for my dance class now. So yeah, best class for sure, hands down. I took the same exact one with the same exact professor last semester as well. And I loved it that much. It's just so relaxing. Well, you know, not really relaxing because you're moving, but it's relaxing for the mind, you know? When I first had a class in this dance studio, I like could not find where it was. But now I'm good. Wow, it is so late already. So just for a reference, it is about almost 7 p.m. right now. Now, I don't like night classes. I know some people do like night classes. The only reason I am taking these night classes is because they're the only ones that I can take, the only ones that are available. Over there's the New York City skyline, which you really can't see on camera especially. And the plan is to now just walk over to the shuttle and take the shuttle back to my dorm. The only reason I'm taking the shuttle is because it's dark and I don't really feel safe walking down the street at night. I just missed the shuttle. Not that they have like a schedule or anything. You just kind of have to wait for them. Oh wait, is another one? Is there another one coming? Oh, I really hope I don't have to wait too long. Oh, is that a shuttle? Oh, Village Transit. Perfect.
So hard to find time.
Before actually heading back to my room, I'm going to pick up some packages. I just got some Amazon packages delivered, and Montclair State University does this really nice thing where they have these Amazon lockers, which end up being a lot quicker than actually getting it shipped to like their regular mail room, because that takes a bit longer. So here you can just go at any time of the day to pick it up. Yeah, so if you've never used an Amazon locker, like they're so cool. So my building does not have one of these. Some buildings have them like inside or outside of the building. So I just go to the nearest one, and here we are.
Born to be waiting. Small town gets in your head, right? Then you came and took me away. You said that it would change me, but we went crashing down. We went all down the line. In this October sky, it's a painting on fire. And it feels the way I feel about you. And it looks the way I can't describe us. I can't describe us.
At this point in the evening, I am free to kind of do whatever I want, but I do have to watch or listen to 30 minutes of something French every week, at least 30 minutes. So I was thinking I was going to go ahead, plop down and watch a bit of French Disney. The reason I'm picking Disney is because I'm familiar with the shows already, so I can really like knowing the context of like the episode, I can like kind of try to figure out the dialogue itself, so I don't have to like, so that I'm not completely lost basically. I am so behind on my French just because I've had kind of like a mediocre education of French in high school, and then I didn't take it for like a year and a half, then I took one semester of it, and then I didn't take it for another year. So yeah, super behind, but it's something that I really want to learn, which is why I'm taking this class, and I want to improve. So yep, French Disney it is. I'm so tired. College student tired. It's like, I feel like I don't do anything, but at the same time I'm like exhausted. I guess I do stuff. Like, I have 3 classes, I walk, but it's not a lot. Why am I so tired?
She's alone, the party's so.
By the way, this is such a good snack. These are dates stuffed with peanut butter, and there's a little bit of salt on top, and also I don't have any, but you can also put some like crushed dark chocolate on it. All right, people, it's 10 p.m. It's time for me to wind down and get ready for bed, change into PJs, do skincare and everything. That's pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, seeing what typical day is like for me. Hopefully it wasn't too boring. Honestly, Montclair isn't the most exciting school, so yeah, so that's it. See you guys next time. Bye.